she saw something shine. A mermaid popped up and said, "Hi, friend of mine. Swim, swim, splash with me through the sparkling blue sea. Gallop, gallop across the sand. Come explore our magic land." Over the rainbow, up we go, past fluffy clouds in a colorful glow. Down to the ocean, splash, 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 into the water with a magical dash. Swim, swim, splash with me through the sparkling blue sea. Gallop, gallop across the sand. Come explore our magic land. Dolphins are jumping, turtles swim by, colorful fish wave a friendly hi. Bubbles are floating, 1, 2, 3. So many friends beneath the sea. The sun sinks slow with a golden glow. It's time to go home, says the unicorn slow. Don't be sad, we'll meet again, a unicorn and mermaid forever.